Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best FairyWill replacement brush heads on the market. If you're using a FairyWill electric toothbrush and looking for reliable, high-quality replacement heads, this is the product to know about. This shape conforms closely to the natural structure of your teeth and gums, helping to reach those tricky spots that traditional brushes might miss. The W-shaped bristles are crafted to clean deep into the gum line and between teeth, offering a thorough and effective clean. The materials used for these heads are also noteworthy. The brush heads are made from durable ABS plastic, while the bristles are nylon, specifically DuPont nylon, which is known for its softness and strength. These 0.152 mm round-ended bristles are designed to be gentle on enamel and gums, making them suitable for everyday use without causing irritation or damage. Durability is enhanced thanks to high-end manufacturing techniques that ensure the bristles are securely embedded, reducing shedding during brushing. This means you get a consistent cleaning performance without worrying about bristles falling out easily. Another useful feature is the built-in replacement reminder. The blue indicator bristles gradually fade with use, giving you a visual cue to replace the brush head at the optimal time, usually every 3 months. This helps maintain effective cleaning and oral health. Installation and removal are straightforward. The heads unlock with a simple right turn, allowing you to swap them out quickly without any additional tools or assistance. The size of each brush head is approximately 82 mm long and 12 mm wide, weighing around 34 grams, making them compact and travel-friendly. These brush heads are compatible beyond FairyWill models, extending to brands like Seago, DNSLYTB5, T-Tech, S-Bully, ADM-OKO, and Zabern toothbrushes, broadening their usability. With the ability to support electric toothbrush vibrations up to 40,000 strokes per minute, these heads offer cleaning power far beyond manual brushing. The combination of advanced design and quality materials provides an efficient, three-dimensional cleaning experience that targets plaque and promotes gum health. In summary, these replacement heads deliver excellent compatibility, innovative brush design, durable and soft bristles, and a convenient replacement reminder. If you want to keep your FairyWill toothbrush working at its best and maintain great oral hygiene, these heads are a smart choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you next time.